This Escambia County chase is pure chaos. A high-speed pursuit, a wild crash, and a police K-9 that didn't exactly follow the script. When FHP got involved, things escalated fast. Troopers nearly took each other out. A semi-truck swerved just in time, and the K-9? It went after the wrong target. The suspect made a run for it, but with officers and K-9s closing in, his options ran out quick. Despite the chaos, FHP got the job done. Running never works, but when even the police dog adds to the madness, you know this chase will be one to remember. A wild high-speed chase in Leon County, Florida, ended with one of the cleanest pit maneuvers you'll ever see. Malik Miller thought he could outrun the Florida Highway Patrol, but troopers had other plans.
Pit, start admission. All right, he got out of it. Continued westbound. All right, turn on to Bluntstown, southbound Bluntstown.
FHP dispatch advisor on this channel, so just not saying anything.
Still southbound, coming up to Tennessee Street.
Slow units coming down the path.
Westbound Tennessee Street.
FHP, LC's reference we are on the channel, but we are not using it as a patrol channel. We can only hear you. We're not talking on it. Hey, just an FYI, we got Highway 20 blocks just west of the Abandoned Church as it comes this way.
There was another pit attempt. In front of Dale Earnhardt Chevrolet. 2 pit attempts, unsuccessful. Vehicle is eastbound Tennessee Street.
International going down.
Boston Tower.
Northwest Pensacola Street, now both down southbound. Going around it.
After ramming an FHP vehicle and dodging multiple pit attempts, Miller pushed his luck one last time. But on Pensacola Street, troopers executed a perfect spin-out, stopping him cold.
Eastbound Pensacola now. Alright, I'm right in front of y'all. Let me get this intersection shut down. Alright, we're going. I think. Stay on it.
Damn!
Other day. Pensacola Street, suspects, looks like they're in there.
With his escape cut short, Miller was arrested alongside his passengers. Inside the car, 75 grams of marijuana. Running from the law never pays. Just ask him. A stolen truck, a reckless driver, and an Arkansas trooper who isn't messing around. This chase near Cabot was over before it even began.
White Chevrolet pickup. Could be a white Chevrolet pickup.
There's going to be 1063 for 1077 around 54.
Just drive down the middle of the road. I can't see behind right now.
Trooper M. Bratton moved fast, cutting off the suspect's escape with a perfect TVI. The driver, a repeat offender with 8 trips to prison, clearly hadn't learned a thing. His passenger, along for a ride she'd rather forget.
Oh, shit. He just brake checked me. I tried to TVI. I slid down the side. We're still westbound. About 6 miles an hour. Going west Justice from Old Highway 5. TBI. Show your hands! Show your hands! Show your hands! Turn the truck up! I'll blow your fucking brains out! I will blow your fucking brains out!
After risking lives, the suspect actually apologized to the trooper. But let's be real. If you think outrunning an Arkansas trooper in a stolen pickup is a good idea, prison trip number 9 was always in the cards. A stolen Hyundai, a reckless driver, and a police pursuit. This chase on Grand Avenue goes from 0 to chaos in seconds.
Stand by. Hey man, first up, huh?
Stop. 26, 40 minutes. 1037 with him. Stand by. We're going westbound on North I.
Westbound on North I. 840 direct.
Grand westbound.
Blowing stop signs, speeding past school buses, and tearing through yards, this suspect will do anything to escape. But Trooper Rome cuts her off, forcing a dramatic stop.
Going southbound on 18.
Southbound on 18th Street.
It's a white female driver. Going southbound on Ivy, going to this street. Going north on 18.
I'm coming. Hands! Hey, I got you covered. Hey, I got you covered, Kara. Relax, we're good. Open the door. Open the door. No! Open the door. Unlock it. Unlock it right now. Unlock it right now. You got the car? Unlock the car right now. Unlock the car. I don't care. Unlock the car right now. Show me a freaking hand. Don't even.
With a textbook felony takedown, officers arrest Courtney Sousa, ending her joyride in handcuffs. Now she's facing serious charges and an even bigger problem: jail time. When you're on probation for aggravated assault, the last thing you want to do is lead state troopers on a reckless high-speed chase. But Wilfred Ruiz didn't get the memo. Blasting down I-4, he thought he could outrun Florida Highway Patrol. But one trooper had other plans. For miles, Ruiz weaved through traffic, pushing his Chrysler 200 to its absolute limit. But FHP wasn't letting go. Locked onto his bumper like a heat-seeking missile, the trooper waited for the perfect moment. Then bam! A textbook pit maneuver spun Ruiz out at mile marker 86, ending the chase in seconds. Ruiz survived, but his freedom? Not so much. After a trip to the hospital, he was booked straight into Orange County Jail, where he's still sitting as his court case unfolds. Maybe next time he'll pick a better getaway car, or better life choices. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed these intense moments caught on camera. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you next time.